Brev AI Music. In this video, we're going to be talking about a new AI music generator that will allow you to create the best generations using AI. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Brev AI, and over here, you're going to go ahead, click on generate music for free. Now, once we're over here, basically, this is where you're going to start generating things for yourself. So first of all, on the left-hand side, you have music generator, sound effect generator, etc. Now let's say I want to go ahead and generate music, right? So first of all, there's the custom mode where you can write your own lyrics and style of music. I'm going to skip that. I'm going to keep it over here. There's two versions of it though. There's core and then there's prime. Now core has enhanced arrangements with creative diversity up to 4 minutes. And then prime is best vocal quality and song structures up to 4 minutes, which is basically a premium version of Brev AI. So let's say I want to, create a song. I'm going to describe the style of music and topic that I want. So I'm going to go with punk grunge song with 90s vibe. Okay. Let's go with fast BPM, strong and hard drums, distorted guitars, and let's say vocals like baritone, and let's go ahead and add, you know what, that's pretty much it. I'll go with this prompt and we're going to click on generate music and let's see what it generates for us. So we added punk rent song with 90s vibe, fast BPM, strong and hard drums, distorted guitars, vocals like a baritone. So let's see what it actually gives us. Let's see what it generates out of the prompt that I provided it. And obviously, everything that you create depends on the prompts that you provide Brev AI. Without a good and decent descriptive prompt, you won't be able to generate anything too special. So do make sure to be as descriptive as possible, and let's go ahead and give it a listen and see what it has generated. Now that is incredible. The whole, instrumental that I heard and the vocals that I heard were pretty good. They had a fast BPM. I wouldn't say the greatest grunge vibe, but it was pretty punk and it was pretty 90s, which is pretty cool. So you can see the prompts you add will generate you something really cool, and they also give you lyrics with it, which is pretty amazing. So that is basically how you're going to be using Brev AI and generating any type of music on it. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.